All right, so in number 6, key pieces of information that we want to remember is that cosine represents x, sine represents y, and I gave you guys that hint in this unit of putting them in alphabetical order, C, then S, X, then Y, and then tangent is when you take y divided by x. So here they're asking us what quadrant this would fall in. Well, what they're saying here, if something is greater than 0, they're saying that it's a positive. And if cosine is x, they're saying we want the positive side of the x-axis. So these are the positive numbers for x. And then it's saying what quadrant would I fall in? Well, if you notice, that side of the x-axis touches quadrants 1 and quadrant 4. And so those are the two quadrants that I would fall under. Remember, we said tangent is y divided by x. So this one's kind of tricky. This one can be tricky because here they want us less than 0, which means that it's a negative. But this could mean two things. This could mean that either the y value is negative, or maybe the y is positive and the x is negative. One or the other. They can't both be negative, otherwise if both were negative, two negatives would cancel and actually they would become positive again. So make sure on this one it's either one or the other. Alright, so if we are thinking of our quadrants, in quadrant 1 you're going to the right and up, so they're both positive. In quadrant 2, you're going left and then up, so in this one we would have a negative x with a positive y. In quadrant 3 you're going left and then down, so in this case both are negative. We don't want both of them to be negative like we talked about. They would cancel to become positive. In quadrant 4 you're going right and then you're going down, so only one negative again. So quadrant 2 and quadrant 4.